guys, once again welcome back to Active Education Pro. Today this is the next series on integers chapter from class 6 NCERT mathematics. And one more thing, this video is very important because video is based on calculation of integers, I mean sign rules. And you know sign rules in mathematics and algebraic functions is very important for all of you, for all of us. So please don't skip this video and please watch the entire video from start to last so that you will thoroughly clear about sign rules of integers to solve any arithmetic problem for our future, for our mathematics session. Okay, so let's start. Sign rules. In my last video already we have discussed about comparison of integers, which integer is greater and which integer is smaller. And now in this video we'll calculate integers, especially in a class 6, in a standard 6. It is all about addition and subtraction. Only you have to add and you have to subtract between integers. Okay, no more multiplications, no more divisions in our class 6. So only you have to follow, you have to calculate addition and subtraction of integers. And according to the comparison of integers, according to the greater value and the smaller value of integers, which is greater and which is smaller, now you are going to calculate the integers. Okay, so let's start. Two plus 5, you know it is 7. 2 plus 5, it is 7. Look here, both are positive integers, and here now we add two integers. One is 2 and another one is 5. 2 and 5. 2 5 is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. Similarly, if you add negative integers, two negative integers, suppose this is minus 2 plus minus 5. Look here, minus 2 plus minus 5, it is also minus 7. The numerical value will remain same, 7 and 7, but sign is changed because here in our first case both are positive integers, so we get a positive integers, and in our second case both are negative integers, so we get a negative integer as its result. So what is the formula, what is the procedure? Look here, if both the numbers, any numbers, you can add triplet, you can add 4 numbers, you can add 5 numbers at a time, but one more conditions, if all integers having same sign, means if all the integers are same integers, means all are positive integers, otherwise all are negative integers, then according to their sign the result will be the same sign. Means here 2 and 5 both are positive integers, so the result of positive integers means this is a positive 7, means it is a positive integer. Similarly, minus 2 and minus 5 both are negative integers, so here minus 7 is the answer. Minus 7 is a negative integers. Here in both this case we add two number of integers, means two integers, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Look here, take some more examples, take some more integers to add. 2 plus 3 plus 9 plus 1, you know it is 15. Here we add 1 2 3 4, 4 numbers of integers, 2 3 9 1, and all are positive integers. So according to our theory, if all are of same sign, means all are of positive signs, means all are positive integers, so just the answer is a positive integer. Just add the numerical value 2 3 9 and 1, add simply and get result 15. Look here we add 1 2 3 5, 4 integers, and all integers are negative integers. 1 2 3 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 5, minus 10, all 4 are negative integers. So here first put a negative sign and then add the numeric, and you know what is the numerical value of minus 3? This is only simple 3 is the numerical value, not the sign. Numerical value means except sign, what is the value? Except sign, what is the value? What is the number? So this is 3, 2, 5 and 10. This is 20. So answer is minus 20. 2, 3, 9, 1. When you add the positive integers, we get a positive integer result. When you add the negative integers, we get the negative integer result. This is minus 20. It's all about addition of same signs. Means if you add positive with a positive, if you add positive with a positive, then you will get a positive. If you add negative with a negative, then you will get negative result. This is the theory. This is a sign rules. If you add a positive integer with a positive integer, then you will get a positive integer. If you add a negative integer with another negative integer, then you will get a negative integer. Then the next rule, what about addition of a positive with a negative integer or negative with a positive integer? The next session is positive with negative integers is what, and negative with a positive integer is what. Look here, you know additions of integers is commutative. Addition of integers is commutative, means if you add 2 plus 3 which is equal to 3 plus 2, if you change its order, additional order means it first 2 and then 3. Here in our right hand side, at our right hand side, first we add 3 with the second number 2. If you change its order, then no changes and in its result. Okay, so whatever you add, positive with negative or negative with a positive, there is a rule to add integers, means integers of opposite signs. Opposite integers means positive with a negative or negative with a opposite. Then what is the rule? The sign rule. Here I describe it with example so that we will thoroughly clear about this sign rule. Minus 2 plus 5. Look here, minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2 is a negative integer and this is 5 is a positive integer. Minus 2 is a negative integer and 5 is a positive integer. Then what will be the result? Look here, it is the additional symbol and there is no more symbol before 5. So 5 is a positive integer. Okay, this sign is not for 5. This is the additional symbol, means I here add minus 2 add with my 5. Minus 2 add with 5. So this is the additional symbol. Here minus 2 is a negative integer and 5 is a positive integer. So compare its numerical value. You know minus 2 is less than 5. According to its comparational value, minus 2 is less than 5. So, but in this case, compare its numerical value. At the time of comparison of integers, first you tally, first you compare its numerical value, then compare both the integers and put the symbols. Similarly, here both are of opposite integers, one is negative and another one is positive. So first you have to check its numerical value, and numerical value here 2 and 5, and you know 2 is also less than 5. Here minus 2 is also less than 5 if you according to its sign, but at its numerical value also 2 is less than 5. So 5 is the greater value. So what about 5 sign? The sign of 5 is positive. The sign of 5 is positive because 5 here is a positive integers. And then subtract the numerical value. This numerical value 2 and 5. Subtract the numerical value. 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is plus 3. Otherwise you can write here only 3 because it need not to put sign of positive integers. No sign means it is a positive integer itself. So plus 3 you can write here 3. Here I just put this symbol for your better reference, for your better guidance. Minus 2 plus 5 is plus 3. Otherwise you can say this is 3. Another one example. Four plus minus 7. 4 plus minus 7. You can write here 4 minus 7 because there is another rule. If there is a plus symbol, there is an additional symbol before any bracket, then the number with its integer you can write directly. The number with its integer, with its sign, you can write directly. Means 4, there is a plus symbol, there is a plus sign before this bracket, and this bracket contains a negative integer. So you directly write the negative integers 4 minus 7. Now Look here, this is 4 is a positive integer, no sign before 4 means it is a positive integer, and 7 minus 7, now this is the sign because you add here. After this simplification, when you simplify these numbers, when you simplify this line, you get 4 minus 7. So now minus is the sign of the 7, so minus 7 is a negative integer and 4 is a positive integer. So compare its numerical value, 4 and 7, which is greater? 7 is greater. If you compare its integers value, means 4 and minus 7, you know always a positive integer is greater than negative integer, but this is not considerable for calculation of integers. First compare its numerical value 4 and 7, which is larger? 7 is larger than 4. So 7, sign of 7 is minus, so put a minus sign, minus symbol, and subtract the numerical value. This is 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So your answer is minus 3. Look here, in the above case the answer is 3, and in a lower case the answer is minus 3. What is the difference? The difference is between the theory, the rule is to calculate integers, the rule of calculation of integers. First you have to check its numerical value. If numeric is larger, means the larger numeric contains which sign, positive sign or negative sign, the resultant, the additional result or the subtraction result will must contain this same sign. The larger numerical value sign, the sign of larger numeric is the resultant sign, is the resultant sign, the additional result sign and the subtraction result sign. Here 5 is larger than 2. If you compare this numerical value between minus 2 and 5, the 5 is larger than 2. So the sign of 5 is the sign of result, which is equal to a positive integer 3. And in our second case, 4 and minus 7. 4 and minus 7. If you consider its integers value, then you know 4 is a positive integer which is greater than the negative integer minus 7. But in the case of numerical value, without except its sign value, means except its sign, it is a simple 4 and it is simple 7, and you compare its numerical value, then 7 is greater than 4, which is 7 sign. 7 is a negative sign here. 7 is a negative integer. So as per the sign of the larger numerical value, so the answer is a negative integer minus 3. So this is about the sign rules. If you add a positive with a positive or negative with a negative number, then you will get a positive numbers and a negative number respectively. Positive with a positive you get positive integer, negative with negative you get a negative integer. But at the case of positive integer with a negative integer, otherwise negative integer with a positive integer, as per the comparison rule of integers, first compare its numerical value and put the numerical value at its resultant side. Means you have to write the result here, so put the resultant sign, means the larger numerical value sign. Larger numerical value is 5, so put its symbol is plus 5 plus positive integer, so here is a plus, and then subtract the numerical value simply, then you get your result, additional result of integers. So at the time of opposite side, at the time of addition of opposite signs, first you have to compare its numerical value and then put its sign and subtract the numerical value, because both are of opposite signs. Otherwise you can check it with the help of a number line. Look here, this is 5 with minus 2. 5 with minus 2. 5 with minus 2. 5 with minus 2. If you are adding 5 with a negative integer, 5 with a negative integer, then you have to move left side. Then you have to move left side. Which, at what place? At what number places? 2 places. So this is 1 and this is 2. So the answer is 3. If you add from left to right side, means if you add minus 2 with 5, you know addition is commutative. Integers addition is commutative. So here I add 5 with minus 2. Now in our second case I add minus 2 with 5. So draw a number line. This is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a number line. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is minus 2. And now we are going to add this minus 2 with a 5. Means with a positive integer. Then you have to move left to right. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 3. So this is 3. Whatever maybe you add, 5 with minus 2 or minus 2 with 5. You know additional of integers is a commutative. So in which direction we will add, you will move. But your answer is 3. Your answer is 3. If you add a negative integer, then you have to move left side. If you add a positive integers, then you have to move at our right side. So these are the rules. These are the conditions to add only for addition of integers. These are the sign rules. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.